After feeding, babies often swallow air. Burping helps release that air, preventing spit-ups, fussiness, and discomfort. One method is over the shoulder. Hold your baby upright, support their head and neck, and gently pat or rub their back. Another option is sitting on your lap. Keep your baby leaning slightly forward, with one hand supporting the chin and chest, while the other pats their back. You can also place your baby tummy down across your lap or a flat surface. A gentle pat or circular rub on the back can help bring up a burp. Try for about 1 to 2 minutes after feeding. Some babies burp quickly, others may take longer, and some don't need to burp every time. If your baby is comfortable and feeding well, it's okay if no burp comes out. Follow for more pediatrician tips to guide you through your baby's first year.